Okay, so I think you already downloaded the zip file. So once you have downloaded it, go ahead and hit extract all, extract the files. So go ahead and open the folder, open it, and this is the root level directory. So go ahead and open the terminal in this exact folder. So in order to run the project, you must have Python installed locally in your computer. If you don't have Python, then install it. You can obviously install it in your laptop. And if you already have Python, then you have to install another package. Okay, just write pip install pretty table and hit enter. And you have to have an active internet connection in order to make this work. So if you already have Veritable installed, it's gonna say requirement already satisfied. But if you don't have, it will install the required package, which is called the pretty table. It is required for this project. So once you have installed it, just write Python project and hit enter. So now you are in the main menu right now. So there are some options. So first thing you want to do is you can continue as guest, or you can do like sign up, or maybe if you already signed up, you can log in. So for this demo purpose, I'm going to explore all the options for you. So first let me press one because I'm going to sign up. I don't have an account, and hit enter. It's going to say try to use a valid mail. You need this to log in later. Okay, so this is the email. You don't need to necessarily use your personal email, but you can use, um, but it has to be structurally a correct email address. So, for example, I'm going to say my name customer at the rate customer.com. Hit enter. Then it will prompt for your name if you are signing up for the first time. Just enter your name, hit enter, and it says that account created successfully. And as you can see, it greets you and gets you this menu that you can access now. So there are, you can see four different options. You can also exit with the command 0, but let's play a game. So let's play tic-tac-toe. So that's option 1. So I'm gonna say 1 and hit enter, and it's gonna give me these levels. So there are three different levels. So let's do a serious one. Okay. So it's gonna say marker to choose my marker. I'm gonna choose, let's choose O, hit enter. So you have to input in the following pattern. So you can think of it more like coordinate, like when you do in tic-tac-toe, there's 3 by 3 grid. So you have to specify the row and column numbers, right? So let's just say 2 space 2, hit enter, and the computer gave the 2 3, so that's the second row, third column. And now it's my move. So if I try to, let's just say do 2 space 3 and hit enter, and it says invalid input, then I think I'm going to do 1 1, enter. Oh, okay, so okay, we all know where this is going. So let's just play dumb, okay? Let's just say I'm going to give 1. Okay, so you actually get interactive comment based on whether you win, lose, or draw the round. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. You can try it out yourself. So this is a game where you have to guess the three letters that are hidden. So here is a letter that is there's a letter that is hidden. There's another two that's hidden. So you have to guess it. So let's randomly guess A. Okay, so yeah, it says wrong. So there's no A in these or these. So basically, you have to guess this word. Guess these letters to uh, make this a meaningful word. So, okay, so let's play number three. Let's go for easy. Okay, it's gonna give you simple math. So you can practice this small mental math. So let's try. Okay. Um, I will do wrong. So let's just say you have two tries left. Let's get another wrong, another wrong, and it's gonna say the correct answer. Okay. So okay. So this is the little professor. It's an interesting game. You can play it uh, to kind of uh, get your hands on your mental math ability, sharpen this skill. Okay. So I'm gonna say Q to quit the game. You can press 4, and this will give you the statistics. And so now I'm just gonna press any key to go to the main menu. Okay. So let's exit. Okay. So if I go to the game again, this is a Python. Okay. You can also continue as guest, but in if you continue as guest, then you won't be able to see the stats, but you can play the games. Let's run this again. Okay. So now, if you log in again and use your mail address that you used to sign up, then it's going to welcome again, and you can see the stats that you previously, how many games you played, how many wins, how many loses. You can see them all here. Okay. Want to exit. So this was it, and I really hope you enjoyed it. So here's my GitHub link. So if you want the source code of this, you can go to the link and see it yourself. Okay, so goodbye.